Excuse number 5. Friend needs a ride. My friend Sashi, who is also a pilot, needed a ride to Bessemer, Alabama. So I grabbed another friend who is also a pilot for the flight. I totally forgot to record audio for this leg, so enjoy some B-roll. After exiting the Atlanta class Bravo, we cruised to 6,500 feet for some nice smooth flight. After landing in Bessemer, we were pleasantly surprised to find out that Shashi had ordered some dosas for dinner from a local Indian restaurant delivered directly to the FBO. Dosa is a type of crepe made from fermented rice and lentil flour and is a staple entree in southern India. This is by far my most exotic $100 airport dinner. What about you? Leave a comment below.
Bessemer traffic number 66 Romeo Delta departing runway 5 Bessemer.
We finished some delicious dosas and we hopped back in the airplane for a flight back to Atlanta. This time I remembered to record audio.
I'll line up the runway. Looks good. Oil pressure looks good. Fuel pressure looks good. Stay alive. Airborne. Trim. All them set for takeoff. Now we're climbing pretty good. Yeah. Starting towards our heading. It's actually pretty hard now.
Yeah. What are you thinking? 5,500 MC?
Yeah, we'll say 5,500.
Yeah, I agree.
I think we'll be okay at 5,500.
Okay.
So this thing climbs around 85 to 90 knots. That's pretty good. Change tank, I'm not worried about that. Wanna fly?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Air controls?
I have my controls. I like the nose view on this one, Grumman.
It's
Actually,
pretty good.
Better than the Vipers.
Oh yeah. The fuel pump off. Landing lights off. Fuel pressure looks good.
Oil pressure is good.
Yep. I'll call the approach, see if we can request flight following.
Air 66 Romeo Delta, say again.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, we have a flight following request. We are 6 miles northeast of Bessemer. Looking for flight following to Papa Delta Kilo for GrummanTiger Alpha Alpha 5 Bravo 5500.
Air 6 Romeo Delta Squawk 5117.
5117.
5117 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Air 66 Romeo Delta radar contact 7 miles east of Bessemer Airport, Birmingham, altimeter 29907.
299 for 6 Romeo Delta. Smooth. It's pretty smooth. The beautiful.
I know, right?
Yeah, I think his hair has come down, so we're going to be about that.
Yeah, the panel looks nice actually. I mean, different from your regular Cessnas and Pipers.
We used to have, we just had this G5s. So we used to have a vacuum system, failed on us multiple times.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think these are the best.
Have a little bit of vents. Yeah, there you go. Turn the autopilot on.
Huh?
Let the autopilot do its trick.
But this was awesome, Chris. I mean, I always wanted to fly under the Class B, never had an opportunity, so...
Lag your time, man. Not gonna lag this leg, you can go ahead and lag it.
Yeah.
So you get your cross-country leg.
Yeah, well, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah.
Whatever, an hour or so, whatever.
Yep. I need to get that 50 hours for instrument.
Yeah.
How different flying would have been without flight, right? Especially navigating these class Bs and
when did you get your license again?
2016?
2016, so you pretty much had your iPad during your...
Nope. My instructor said none of that stuff until I got my ticket actually, so...
well, I got 2009. So basically entire my training was paper charts, solo cross countries, long cross, everything paper chart. I used to even buy update of our sectionals. How long been in
partnership? Yeah.
651 traffic.
7 years.
Right now about.
I've been flying in this aircraft for 7 years. Nice. That's good.
Yeah.
Air 6 Romeo Delta change to my frequency 132.15.
132.15, 6 Romeo. Birmingham, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta on 132.15.
6 Romeo Delta, thank you.
The best way for me, at least I know, the easiest way for me, look at the nearby airport, look at an instrument approach, it has it.
Yep.
So Talladega.
The racetrack one, right?
Yeah. So right next to that there's an airport.
So I can actually see there was another runway within the track if you see.
That's a drag strip. Yeah.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center 134.9 or 5.
134.9 or 5, Romeo. Thank you.
Flying alone is boring.
Flying alone is, I don't go too far when I'm flying alone.
So that was the
So that's
problem.
why, I want.
I love it. I mean, this is very, very rich experience. Though it sounds like I'm not doing much, just observing. I played with 4-flight the entire time I was sitting back because there are some things that I can't do when I'm flying, and there are some things you can't do when you're sitting on the ground, right? So certain things when you watch videos, it's easy enough, right? Like, hey, how do you fly in Class B? Okay, you stay under, you talk to people, that's it. It's not a big deal. But again, experiencing that from the air is completely different. So,
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta approach 121.0.
121.1, 121.0, thank you. Approach, November 66 Romeo Delta, level 5,500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta approach, Atlanta altimeter is 2997, runway 3 right and use at Peachtree. What's your type aircraft?
November 66 Romeo Delta, we're a GrummanTiger Alpha 5 Bravo.
Okay, thank you. November 6 Romeo Delta, advise when you have ATIS Golf.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, I have a question for you.
November 6 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
Would you like us to descend to below the Bravo, or would you like to give us permission to enter Bravo?
6 Romeo Delta, just stay outside the Bravo.
Well, 6 Romeo. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, I would like to descend to 3,500 to stay below Bravo. We do have information call from PDK.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, roger, and altitude your discretion, maintain VFR at 3,500.
Maintain VFR 3,500, 6 Romeo. The altitude, my discretion, and then 3,500. I don't know which one.
this works out perfectly. You can just join the extended final, right?
Very much.
How did you come across?
High videos.
I don't know, man.
Are you
Came
subscribed
across,
to...
I watched pretty diligently for a long time, and then I'm like, Yeah, let me get up and see, test my luck, and I'm glad I did. Straight from headquarters.
So why did you decide you wanted to, how did you find that out?
I mean, I always wanted to fly even when I was a kid, right? Even for my profession. I wanted to.
Romeo Delta, just maintain VFR at or above 3,000.
We're at 3,506 Romeo Delta. It's pretty beautiful sunset, man.
Did you do your private in South Dakota too, or after coming to Atlanta?
No, I did my private in Texas, Dallas.
Oh wow, okay. That's a nice place to do, right?
Yeah.
It's, fair
Texas
weather.
is beautiful. I mean, for flying.
Yeah. We are with
Here's a 7-3 about
airspace.
8 or 10 behind you. They're slow
That's
climbing at 11
Fulton
right
right there.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Airport, 10 to 11 o'clock and 7 miles.
6 Romeo Delta Airport inside.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, you can remain on that squawk code. Contact Peachtree Tower, 120.9er.
Contact Tower 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your help.
Okay.
Peachtree Tower, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta with you.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower. Enter about a 3-mile left base for runway 3 left. You're following a Cherokee approaching left base.
6 Romeo Delta, we're looking for the Cherokee. We're on the
Runway
left.
6 Romeo Delta, Cherokee, you're following is turning base now. To number 2, runway 3 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 3 left, clear to land. 6 Romeo Delta. Have a Cherokee inside?
Yep, he's way low down there. Way low down there. He's on the base now. You're good.
Okay. Oh, that's Stone Mountain.
Are we allowed to go fly over that?
Yeah.
2,000, we're 3,000. Only 1,000 difference, but it looked like so small and so further down.
So he's probably, what, a mile ahead of us?
So easy, yeah.
So anything over a mile, you won't be able to. It's a beautiful sunset, man. So pretty. That's the cool part of flying, man. Get your night curtain soon.
Good. Oh, shoot.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, left turn off when able. Contact ground 1 off.
6 Romeo Delta, I will turn on Delta if that's okay with you.